Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you how to delete SAP BW Statistics data. Here, the BW version can be your older system like 7.4 or 7.5 or even the newer system like BW for HANA. I'll be telling you two ways to delete the data. One is using a program and one using this transaction. So first, let me tell you that very basic, like what is this BW Statistics data? So BW Statistics is the SAP standard process to store the data or to store all the information, all kind of process or activities done in the system. Like a query is executed like 100 times in an hour. So those information can be stored in your system for analysis. So I'll be telling you the two process. So first is the transaction RSDT stat. So using this transaction, you can get the option called delete statistic data. So by this you can manually delete the data if it is not occurring or if it's not happening the other ways. So the other way to delete the data is using a program. So the program is RSDT stat data delete. In AC38 you can put the and execute it, and by that also you can delete data for the statistics. And before deleting the data, it's important to know or verify with the business that if the data is not required or or even your system performance has gone down due to this reason, then it is also recommended to delete the older data. Thank you for watching this tutorial.